Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we're here from this one in this analyze of this game. So the name of this tournament is FIDE Women's World Team Championship 2025. So these are the located from these places is Anibal Hotel in Linares, Spain. So belongs by location by FIDE Women's World Team Chess Championship. So these are the country. It is called by without country without China, USA, so Russia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Peru, and also Ukraine, and etc etc. So many are countries here. So today is round number 1 from this pool number A. So how many clocks within 45 minutes and 30 seconds increments? So these are is called by classical game. And also have A between from this grandmaster in Russia is Alexandra Goroshkina versus the beautiful and pretty in this international master in Kazakhstan is Mervert Kamalidenova. So two games analyzed here. So after of this pool A, so next pool B between from this woman grandmaster Mitra in France and versus from international master Miao Miao in China. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 1 in this pool A from this women's world team. So white plays Goroshkina is e4, c5 Mervert Sicilian defense, knight f3, knight c6, and it is called by Rosolimo attacks variations here. And also e6, castle kingside by Goroshkina, and also knight e7, rook e1, and also pawn a6 by Mervert without idea by threats the bishops here, and decided this one bishop backwards f1, so need more diagonals here by bishop backwards here by Goroshkina, and also pawn d5 attacks the pawns, captured, knight takes, and also d4 without threats the pawns by c5 without threats, attacks these temples attacks, and also knight f6, so need more decided by knight f6 without continuations here without Mervert, and also bishop e3 without defense the pawns, capture this pawn, knight takes, and bishop d7 by Mervert here. So for example, so if your knight takes captured here, what do you think of this one by knight takes d4, and decided this one is queen takes captured knight without queen to queen or without queen to queen here. If your queen takes accepted here, and also bishop captured. So these are the according this one by this computer engine. So these are the examples here. So it means decided by defense bishop d7 by Mervert here, and also pawn c4, and also queen c7 without preparing castling queen side or without idea by castle, and also h3, and also bishop d6 by Mervert without decided by bishop pairs or without bad bishop or preparing castling kingside the black pieces here, and also knight c3 by Goroshkina, castle kingside by Mervert, and also knight f3 so without need more go backs by Goroshkina or without idea by knight d2. So these are the next move, and also knight e5 without attacks the knights, ignorance knight d2. So for example, so why don't we try knight captured? So these are knight takes e5 here, and also bishop captured knight. So these are the threatening the without idea without move side by bishop h2 without dangerous by this one the check here. So dangerous by white pieces, or maybe by bishop without threats the knights here. So need more be careful by this one the white pieces here. So without decided this one ignorance knight d2 by Goroshkina here, or maybe without idea without next move by knight b3 or knight e4. So next by maneuver's move here, and also knight g6 by Mervert here, and also queen b3 with a strong move by white pieces by Goroshkina, and also bishop c6 by Mervert, or maybe called by this one the without light square diagonals and dark square diagonals here. So these are the dark square bishop or light square bishop, it is called this one the diagonals here. And also decided this one is bishop b6 by Goroshkina without eliminates the queens here. So without bishop without attacks, this targets the queens here. and decided this one is queen b8 by Merwert, and also knight de4. So these are a novelty by these white pieces by Gorshkina. So these are the old main lines by recording database is knight e2 here, so it means old main lines here. So it means, so knight de4 out with this book line. So these are the threats, so threatening the bishops, and this one the knights here. So without knight black pieces, so without attacks the knights here, so it means knight de4 is novelty here without white pieces. And decided by strong move by Merwert is bishop h2 check, so very strongest. Why? Because the bishop here without check, because these are the defensive the queens here. And also the active move by Goreshkina is king h1 here, so need more king must be active by force move here. And also knight takes captured, knight takes, and also bishop go back. So without, why? Because if you cannot move this one, so cannot move this one the bishop, so it means without moves here by pawn g3, so it means it is called by long collides here. So need more this one the bishop here by bishop to c7 without go backs here, so need more go backs, so need more focus concentrations here. Or maybe without bishop, without, it's called by bishop to bishops here. And also rook ad1, and also rook d8 by Merwert without rook to rook, and accept rook takes capture check, bishop captured, bishop takes, queen takes, and also straight to the points is queen e3 without movement here, and also queen a5 without Merwert without idea by threats the pawns without a2 without attacks this one, and also decided a3 without movement this one the pawns, and also rook d8 by Merwert, and also b4 attacks the queens, straight to the points queen f5 by Merwert here without bishop without threats the knights, or queens threats the knights. So these are the doubles without doubles here, or without threats the enemies the knights here. King g1, so without king g1, so need more active move by king g1 by Goreshkina. Pawn h6, and also b5 attacks the bishop, captured, and bishop d5. So it means, so do not capture bishop, captured pawn, because these are the bishop to bishop, so without threats the bishop, so how do you control the attacks? And bishop captured, so no more pieces here, so one piece down by Merwert, so wins for white or lost by blacks here. So do not capture the bishop captured pawn, so need more concentrations by, need more ignorance here by this one eye to eye contact, so concentrations by this one the chess. And decided by ignorance by Merwert is decided bishop d5, so need more ignorance here. And also knight g3 without threats the queens, without attacks this one the queens here, and also queen f6, and knight h5 another threats the queens, or without attacks the queens here, or without controls the target's attacks, and also queen g5 without queen to queen, so without queen to queen, or queens threats the knights here. And decided Goreshkina in accept, queen takes captured, pawn takes, and also rook c1, and also rook a8 by Merwert without idea by threats the pawns here. And also decided defense rook c3, and also king f8 without, king must be active, and also bishop d3 without threats the knights, knight e5 attacks the bishop, so these are the threats the bishops here. And also decided bishop c2, knight c4, and also pawn a4, knight b2, so without knight b2 here without threats the, without pawns without sacrifice, so these are the sacrifice here. And also king must be active, king h2, and also knight captured, sacrifice, threats the rooks, bishop captured, rook takes, and rook c8 check, good move by Goreshkina without check, king e7 another second good move, rook c7 check, king f8 another third good move by king c8 check, king e7, and fourth good move, rook c7 check, king e8, and knight captured g7 check, king f8 attacks the knights, knight h5, rook b4 attacks the pawns, knight f6 without threats the bishop, without attacks the bishops here, without controls here, and rook capture defends the bishop, knight h7 check, king g8, knight captured pawn, and also pawn e5, and also f3, f6 attacks the knights, knight e4, without movement, without threats the pawns by f6 here, bishop captured, pawn captured, and last shot, rook b3. So these are the round number 1 by this poll number A, decided a great draw. So it means not bad from this one by poll number A. So the score by this one by White Pieces by Goroshkina is 97.2, and the score by Accuracy by Merwert is 97.3. So winning of this point, beautiful, pretty international master Merwert Hamalidenova. Congratulations. So next up, this proceed of this poll number B. So next proceed of this next second games here. So next from this poll number B from this second games here. So I thought Alice Lee cannot join by FIDE Women's World Team Championship. So it means Lu Miaoyi joining by FIDE Women's World Team Championship. So it is, so how many clocks within 45 minutes and 30 seconds from this classical game. So it is today's poll B from round number 1, and also have a woman grandmaster in France is Mitra Ehasipour. So without woman grandmaster in this France here, and versus from international master in China, Lu Miaoyi aka Miao Miao. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 1 in poll B. So white plays Mitra is d4, knight f6 Miao Miao, knight f3 b6, and also c4. So these are the main lines here is moved by bishop to f4, is called by London system. So this is called by this one by London. So it means so c4 by Mitra here, and also e6, and also pawn g3 without next move by light square is bishop to g3 here by Mitra, and also bishop a6 by Miao Miao. So because these are the bishop, or maybe without move here by bishop to g7, I mean bishop b7, sorry. So it means without bishop to b7 without light square bishop, or maybe here by bishop to a6 here. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes here, so I thought very confused by my brains here. So it means so these are the chooses the games by Miao Miao is bishop a6 without attacks the threats the pawns here. So without threatening the pawns, so what it's called by variation is called by Queen's Indian Defense Fianchetto's Nimso Witch variation. So these are the variation here from this one. And also decided defense b3 without defense that's c4, and also bishop b4 check, and also bishop d2 ignorance by Miao Miao. So for example, so why don't we try bishop captured without checks here? So without need more acceptance by bishop d2 without check. If you choose the knights and queens here, so it means decided this one is knight captured bishop, or so it means knight takes b takes d2 here. So these are the examples here by this one by continuations here. So decided by Miao Miao, ignorance by bishop to e7 by Miao Miao, or not yet ready by castling. So these are the upcoming by castling inside here. And decided this one is bishop g2 by Mitra without preparing castling kingside here, and also decided by d5 without attacks the pawns, and also knight c3 castle kingside by Miao Miao, and also captured castling by Mitra, and also knight bd7, and also strong move knight e5 by Mitra, or maybe without attacks the knights here, without strong move, without tempos attacks here. And decided good move by Miao Miao is bishop b7 without need more go backs this one the bishops here, and also bishop f4 without defense the knights, and also rook e8 without move side the pins here is called by this one by e fast without rooks here, and also rook c1, and also knight f8. So knight f8 here, so it means need more ignorance here. So without need more ignorance by Meow Meow, or maybe without idea, without knight e6, or maybe here knight g6 here. So without controls here by this one, next move maneuvers here. And also decided knight d3 by Mitra here, and also knight e6 without good process by Meow Meow, without threats the bishops here. So need more threatening the without attacks the tempos attacks here. And also bishop e5 without attacks the knight, so need more move controls the without bishops here. And also c6, so these are a does not belongs of the book lines by Meow Meow. So these are the old main lines here by this one database is knight to e4. So knight e4 is a old main lines by the database by recording here. So it means so c6, so novelty by this one by Meow Meow. So because these are the pawn c6, or so it means novelty after these book lines here. And also knight f4 without idea, without threats the knight. So these are given bad move by computer engine by Mitra. So the best moves there, this one is b4 pawns here. So b4 pawns, so these are the continuations by this one best solutions here. So etc etc, these are the slightly advantage from whites here. So back there, this one is knight f4 without attacks the knights. Ignorance knight f8, brand X move by Meow Meow. So the branded move is knight captured. So knight takes f4, so it decided this one is bishop captured knights here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks and whites here. So slightly betters here. So back there, this one knight f8 without Meow Meow here. And also knight d3, knight 6 d7 without threats the attacks the tempos attacks the bishops here. And also bishop f4 without ignorance, another bad move by Mitra. So the best moves there decided is b4 again. So b4 again here. So very forgot of this per moves here. So it means b4 again is the best moves here. So back there, this one is bishop f4 by Mitra without ignorance. And also knight e6 by Meow Meow without idea, by threats the bishops here. And also decided bishop e3. And also bishop d6 by Meow Meow, queen d2. And also knight f6 without controls here. And also h3. And also queen e7 without queens behind the rooks here. And also knight f4 without attacks the knights. Ignorance knight f8. So it means, why don't we try knight capture? So how do you controls here? And also bishop captured knight. So if you bishop captured and also queen captured. So these are the examples here. So these are the good determinations from this one. So once of this computer engine here. So it means decided by Meow Meow, ignorance knight f8. So that's not one of these captured by knights here, or knight to knights here. And also queen c2 by Mitra. And also rook ac8 without pinnings this one the knights, queens and rooks is called by this one rook c files here. And also rook fd1. And also pawn g5 attacks the knights, knight d3. And also knight e4. So it means almost moved by this one the Meow Meow here. So it means, so that's not one of this computer engine here by knight e4. So the one's computer is pawn h6 here. So pawn h6. So these are the slightly betters from solutions from blacks here. So slightly solutions here. So back there, this one, this knight e4 by Meow Meow without attacks the knights here. Knight takes captured, pawn takes attacks the knights. Good move knight e5 by Mitra. So very good move by concentrations here. And also c5 without attacks the pawns, another bad move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there, this one is pawn f5 here. So need more defense, this one the pawns here. So etc etc. So these are the good slightly betters from blacks here. So back there, this one is pawn c5 by Meow Meow, and also knight g4 without controls here, and also captured, bishop captured, so without need more captures here, and also knight e6 without threats the knights here. Oh, without threats the knight, so it is okay, this one, the knight a6 here, or maybe without threats the bishops here. So for example, so why don't we try rook captured queen? So rook captured queen and rook takes captured. So these are the continuations. So these are the, so no more queens by Mitra, so it means lose from whites here. So it means decided by this one is knight e6 by Meow Meow, so without threats the bishop, and also knight f6 check, so it means strong move, so it means sacrifice, so it means without knight f6 check here, so without check, or traps the rooks here. So very traps this one, the very dangerous here. And also king f8 and also knight captured. So why don't we try knight captured rook? So how do you control here? And also rook captured queen. So if you rook captured queen, so it means, so these are the three, so two minor pieces, the bishops here, so it means queens and knights here, so it means, so these are the two minors rook here, so two minors rook, or this one, so four pieces here, so these are the, so loose from blacks here, very loose here. So it means, so back there, this one is knight captured without checks here, and also king g8 without attacks the knights, and knight f6 check without traps the rooks, king f8, queen d2 without ignorance, without rook to rook, and decided rook takes accepted, rook takes bad move Mitra. So the best moves is queen captured rooks here. So if you move decided rook c8 without threats the queens here, so without threats the queens, and decided this one is rook d2. So according this one, the computer engine, so these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters here. So it means, so back there, this one is rook captured here, and also bishop a3 without threats the rook, so it means brand X move. So the branded move is, this one is bishop to b4, so need more threats threatening the queens here. So it means if you decided this one queen d1 without movement here, so it means these are the controls by determinations. So according this one, the Stockfish computer, so these are the slightly betters here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is bishop a3 without threats the rooks, and bishop b2. So what happened by Mitra? So it means blunderacious by this one in this computer. So it means blunderacious or X move. So it means without bishop to bishop. So the one's computer, the best move is knight to h7 check. Without checks here, if you decided this one by king g8, and also, oh wait, the virus. So it means knight f6 check. So if you move by king here, and also knight captured rook. So it means, so according this one, so these are the according by this one, the computer, so it means, so loose from this one, the blacks here. So very loose here. So back there, this one is bishop b2 without blunderacious, and also rook d8 without threats the queens, and queen c3, and good move by Meow Meow is knight d4 without good move by Meow Meow, and also bishop captured, or maybe without bishop, without threats the queens, or without pins, without check. So it means traps the queens. So queens trap. So guessing puzzle. So what do you think about without best shot by best move by this one by Meow Meow? So once of this one in this computer. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So it means the best shot is knight captured e2 check double. Without doubles the queens and rooks. So it means without knights, without check. So double queens and rooks. And also good move king h2 and also queen captured. So for example, so why don't we try knight captured queen? So how do you control that? And also rook captured. Oh, wait, sorry. So it means bishop captured. Oh, bishop captured without check. So without check, or maybe without traps the rooks. So if you move by king to g7, and also bishop captured rook, and rook captured. Wait, so these are the wrong moves here. So it means bishop captured d8. So it means very loose from blacks here. So wins for whites. So it means back there is queen captured, bishops here, and also knight h7 check, king g8, knight f6 check, king f8, knight h7, oh king g8, knight f6, oh king f8, knight h7, oh king g8, knight f6. So it means getting rap songs by created rap songs here. So the score by this one by Mitra is 88.4, and the score by Lumiawi 88.4. So it means not bad. So it means same the winner from this draw. So same both draws here. So I will next analyze here from this choosing from these rounds here. So I will analyze of this choosing soon. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So it means happy Thursday, and bye bye.